What's up, creative?
And as you can see, I am not dead!
For some reason, I can't upload these days, so I came back with a banger tutorial. I know you guys are fan of Valorant instead of touching my bad. Suppose you and your homies wanted to create a fresh, professional Discord server and want to be 10Z, but you suck at designing. I got you, bro. I will showcase you how you can design a brand for gaming server easy as f. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Photoshop. Nope, I won't teach you an old way. In case we will learn in a fast and furious. First of all, search Microsoft Bing Designer on Google. Write down simple prompt about your brand name of desired logo, or copy my prompt from description. Next, adjust your logo in Photoshop by changing its background. Let's hop into creating Discord banner. I know your homie can't afford your server boost to level 2. Still, let's learn. Let's quickly create Discord banner. In my case, I am using texture from Unsplash. Link in the description. Using generated Gen Z logo into the banner. Add text effect of your choice. My case S is down my layer style. Now add your favorite render. In case I am using chamber. That's it, bye-bye. Nope, we not done yet. We need to create Discord channel banner for showcasing a branding view of a GENZ. So copy BG from Discord header, just spam. Random renders, glows, changing text to as your channel. If you come to the last, well, congratulations. I know most of you are lazy to do so. I will drop a free server template with my amazing PSD of these banners. Also, if you want to get free premium assets, then follow my Gumroad and join my Discord server. Hope you guys enjoyed it considering a big fat sub. That's a wrap, guys.